Mead, the Norse drink of poetry, is how to make it. First, you'll need 500 grams of raw honey, with or without the honeycomb is up to you. You will also need a 2-liter jug, an airlock with the lid to match, wine yeast, and dates, but you can also use raisins. You should only need 1 date. Start by emptying the honey into any container, scraping in as much as you can. Use a spoon to crush the honeycomb, making sure the honeycomb is evenly mixed in. Pour the honey into the 2-liter jug and fill the rest with clean, filtered water. Now add the yeast. I am using Lalvin D47 wine yeast, but any yeast will do. Stir the mixture, making sure to push the honey off the bottom. Once the honey is moving, shake thoroughly and continue to flip the jug to make the honey mix evenly. Fill the airlock with water and close the lid, firmly placing it into the lid of the jug. Now find a cool and dark place, like a cupboard or drawer, and leave it there overnight. Return the next morning to see the mixture has started to bubble. This is how you know the yeast is working. Take a date, remove the seed, and chop the date into small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the more rich the flavor will be. Place the pieces into the jar, reattach the lid and airlock, then leave the jug in the same cool and dark place. Leave it there for a minimum of 2 weeks, but the longer you leave it, the better the flavor will be. After waiting for at least 2 weeks, you can now pour the mead into another jug or bottle through a fine filter. I am using a teat filter. Make sure none of the honeycomb or date pieces get into the new jug or bottles. Thoroughly wash the jug and airlock to prepare for the next batch. Now it is time to recite skaldic poetry while enjoying your mead. Thank you for watching.